And they looking at these people. Feel embarrassed. These that was him. It was him. Oh, look at this car right here. He on timing. Oh, he whipping. What is good, YouTube? We is back with another POV drive. I just came from a Cars and Coffee. I'm gonna throw some pictures on the screen. Got a little inspiration on what I want to do next to the car. And yeah, we finna just cruise, chill, vibe. I just got my car lowered. I'm gonna show y'all some pictures. I'm gonna get y'all a video when I get out. But the spring's looking nice. I just went with the regular sports. I didn't go to super sport. The car is sitting nice. I just gotta get some wheels now. And then we're gonna start working on the body. Get the front lip, bumpers. Get some more carbon fiber. Why they going left lane? I'm talking about these people. Oh, okay. Makes sense. I did it again. I should just stop. They moving too slow. Like I'm cruising at a 60. This is speed limit. I'll stop here. Wait for them to catch up. And they looking at these people. Feel embarrassed. These What's up, Dad, Mama? What's up, Mama? That was those people? You sure? Yeah. I don't think so, I did. I don't think so.
You think it was Mama?
Yeah. Mama has that big engine, M55. doing that at the light. I said, this is embarrassing. I'm like, this is embarrassing right here. That was him. It was him. I thought it was the other car.
Oh,
He got popped. Yeah, that's what I said. It was him.
His is like the
I ain't never heard of this kind of car with no burble. They be tuning anything these days. Oh, look, mom is talking about some, come on. They got it.
Wait, what mom was that?
I don't know what she was saying. What she was saying?
I don't know. I didn't know she was this good. He still have his muffler too.
Is that manual?
I've never seen manual. I only see automatic. Mama got one. Hello? Mama said he got his dog and his girl. He don't want to smell.
No, he was literally popping. He has pops. He has pops. Oh, look at this car right here. He on timing. Oh, he whipping.
Yeah, he trying to go down. I don't want to go.
Bro, where? Go ahead. You better go ahead. You gonna go. They don't know what they doing. They're gonna get somebody killed. Okay. You're not like that. Who do you think you is? Who do you think you is? He think he squeeze spins. They flinging this car right here. This Highlander?
Yeah, I think the girl.
Look, they thought they was in a track car. You saw that? Trying to catch. Okay. They think they in a track hawk. They got a Highlander, bruh. cut me off when this lane going faster. They trying to race or something in this Highlander. Like, watch. You finna see a squat to like a track car. Like he got in full launch mode. They're trying to race. Look at it. I'm sticking. Oh, he crazy. That Highlander moving, dude. I see, I already know the lights turning.
For a long time.
Yeah, but I'm watching it. I'm not gonna fly past it. Look at that police right there. Dad missing the hard right here. You know, he support them. But they fast though. They actually fast. Beyond them Lawrence Springs. Now we just need some wheels. We active. Let's finish this video. I'm ready to bust down on that chicken sandwich when I get in the house. Woo! This morning?
I only got one.
Oh, damn, probably ate already.
It was hard show, too hard show.
You didn't want it?
I just only gonna eat one because I was like, Taco Bell's gonna set my stomach up. And I don't know how long we're gonna be out.
Next year, I'm gonna be in the Cars and Coffee. I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna be up in there, parked up. Man, there's not another Cars and Coffee.
They do it every day though.
Nah, I don't think
Every
so.
Sunday.
What, for the whole summer?
Yeah. Right there. be there to 20 miles, so.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Well, at least I was able to make it all the way to, what was that? That was not Manassas. No, that was Dulles. I made it all the way to Dulles and back.
It was out Royal or something. That's the area, Dulles Land. That's not Dulles.
Alright, YouTube, I appreciate y'all for watching the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one. We out.